Hey everyone, we will make a beautiful hairstyle today for the kids. So tie the hairs on the sides like this by making the plaits, join them on the alternative sides and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides and make the plaits. Now join them one by one on the back like this and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will comb the hairs properly and tie half of the hairs on the back. Now fix this beautiful hair accessory. Now to fix the ribbons, we will make the plaits on the hairs, tie it from the bottom after fixing it, and your beautiful hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will divide the hairs into 5 parts and make the plaits on each part like this. Now fix them on the alternative side and make a star-like shape. Now on the top 2 sides, we will make a small cute bun by rolling the hairs upward and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs into 3 parts. After that, open the side part and make the plait like this. Join it by making the plaits from the sides. Follow the same process for the other side as well. Now, after making the plaits, we will join the hairs together on the back and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the ponytail on both the sides on the top and then rotate it using this hair styling tool. After that, we will make the plaits like this on the top. Take the hairs from the back to give the lining effects and join them together one by one. After it is done, we will follow the same process for the other side as well. Now tie all the hairs together and your hairstyle will be ready. Thanks for watching.